intro, Sean. Hey, everyone, guess what? As of May 15th, Similans are shut. Oh, I've just ruined it, so you don't need to watch the whole video now. That was a rubbish hook, wasn't it? I'll watch the video because something might happen at the end of the video. Good. Right, let's go.
Hi guys, Sean here from 5
Come on, hello.
I had no idea where Jay is, but he's running around.
I'm
like
on one
crazy
today.
man.
I'm having a good day. We've got to do this quick, Sean.
He's
Hey,
had
guess
too
what?
many coffees.
I have. Hey,
7-Eleven coffees?
Yes, 7-Eleven. I'm 30 baht. Hey, Sean, guess what?
Similan Islands has closed.
How did you know that?
Because you just said
In
it.
the intro. Okay, that's the video. Thanks very much.
But there's something else which will close soon.
No, but okay, so on the 15th of May, Similan Islands does shut, and it shuts every
Which is
single
like,
year.
What, 1 day or 2 days from now?
It's the 13th today. So
2 days.
Yeah, I did the maths on that one. So anyway, Similan Islands are now closed. They closed every year for 6 months, between the May 15th and October 15th.
And just a note,
yes.
no matter how much money you pay, you can't go.
That's right, you can't go. No
I've
way.
had people say, what if I pay triple the price, will you take me?
No, because we're saving the environment and lets nature come back to life after giving it 6 months.
Why are they closing?
I just said that.
No, 2 reasons.
Oh,
why
and
they're
also
closing.
because what you can't see on this map, because we don't have similar islands over here, but it opens up and the wind's changing direction now because it's May, so it's coming now from the west. So the west coast gets really quite bumpy. Great for surf season on the west coast. If you see a red flag, don't go swimming though. So that's why they close it, because it's quite dangerous to go out to Similar Islands. And for 6 months, it does give nature time to come back.
And as we promised at the start of the video,
Did we?
there is something secret we had to tell you, which is very soon, Maya Jay's favorite bay will also close.
That's right.
A
My bay
video
closes.
about that coming soon.
Yeah, but if you can't go, or you can't go to Similar Islands, where would you go instead, Sean?
Oh, you could do Racha.
I think Racha, which
Oh,
is down here.
so
Move out of the way, look, down here.
Coral? You love coral.
I love coral, but I think if you really want that really
Similar
feel to the Similans feel to the Similans, I think Racha is a place to go.
Totally agree.
Yeah?
Like, comment, subscribe.
Was that it? That was
That's
easy, wasn't it?
We're done.
That was good, wasn't it? That one.
High five, Jay.
High five.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
Bye.